Welcome to the Baldwin International Day Fair, where cultures converge, friendships blossom, and dreams take flight. Today we celebrate unity, diversity as we honor two special occasions close to our heart: World Thinking Day and National Girls. On February 22nd, Girl Scouts and Girl Guides from all around the globe come together in the spirit of camaraderie and understanding. It's a day where boundaries blur, and the world becomes a playground. And as March 12th approaches, we pay homage to the strength, resilience, and boundless potential of young girls. National Girls Day is a celebration of empowerment where every girl is encouraged to dream big and reach for the stars. Join us as we embark on a journey of unity, passion, discovery. Welcome to Baldwin International Day. Here with Gina. She's one of the organizers. How you doing today, Gina?
Doing great. Doing great.
Gina, how did this theme come about for today's fair?
We've been doing a fair for many years. The last one was before COVID, 2020. So we haven't had one for several years. This is our first one back.
Welcome back. We're so happy you guys are here. How many different countries are represented here today?
Today we have nine countries.
What are some of the things that we should look forward to seeing at some of these tables?
Girl Scouts made their own displays. They have a snack, they have a craft, swaps. It's that the girls wear on their vest. Yeah, it's just fun, everything together. Yep.
I'm Ellie. I'm Sophia.
Can you please tell us about your table?
For table, we tried something new. We put a screen in ours and did a slideshow instead of doing multiple boards. But we did end up having multiple boards.
What kind of food do you guys have on display today?
We have a lot of pita breads and tzatziki, hummus, stuff like that.
And your name is?
Anna Lachey. So we worked on the Girl Scout World Trading Centers. So Girl Scouts have World Trading Centers all across the globe. So they have some in Switzerland, India, Mexico, Sudan, and we have one in Africa that's called Kusafiri, and it travels all over Africa.
Down here. And what's your name?
Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma. Welcome to WC. And you are?
I'm the mom, Amanda.
Emma's mom. Can you please tell us what you guys worked on?
What did you work on?
We worked on necklaces.
How long does it take to make a necklace?
One whole day.
Evander Ragsdale.
All right, Evander, can you tell us a little bit about the setup you worked on?
I am helping run the Sudan booth. We have a poster board full of Sudan facts. We have these little pins. They're the WAGS, World Association of Girl Guides and Girl Scouts, but in Sudan. So,
My name is Catherine Ragsdale, and I'm on the China booth.
We did see a little bit of the China move. Can you tell us about your decorations you have going on?
So we have like this entire arch with a lot of lights strung around it and multiple lanterns, and then like spherical lanterns. And then we also added the paper lanterns that we're making in our crafts and attached those to the posts of the arch using pipe cleaners.
Natalie Zoss.
Taylor Rich for Ukraine.
Excellent. Can you tell us a little bit about your table?
Our table is about Ukraine. We did it to represent some of our troop members' family members because a lot of them have history in Ukraine. Would you like to say?
Well, our delicacy for our presentation of Ukraine is a scuffle, which looks kind of like a croissant, and it's made with cinnamon, and it's really good.
Hola. Hola.
Hola. Hola.
Hola. What are your names?
Isabella. Olivia.
So tell us a little bit about your setup over there. I see a couple of dresses. Well, what's that thing on the left side? Is that a piece of ham?
It's jamon.
Some of the things you guys wanted to put on the table to represent Spain.
We put dolls out. That was flamenco dancing. We made fans and we put them out. Angelina.
And can you tell us a little bit about the country you did today? This looks like the Leaning Tower of Pizza. Pizza?
Pizza.
Pizza. I always get that mixed up. Can you tell me a little bit about this?
Well,
Let's raise it up. So let's bring it up here to the people. Let's see it. Look at that, looks great. So can people make one of those in your station?
Yes.
What other things do you have going on your table?
We have little bites of mozzarella, breadsticks, we have keychains. Flagony S. Sniffler. No, it's Serena.
Nice to, what? Which?
Serena.
Is your name Serena?
My name's Flagony.
Her name is Flagony, guys. I believe her.
Pizza. Pizza.
Not pizza.
Not pizza. Sam?
Sam, what brings you out to this event today? Are you here to support? What's been your favorite part so far?
Getting the stickers.
Let me see these stickers. I like stickers. Oh, that's a good one. Which is your favorite one so far?
Ukraine.
So you know this is like a passport, right? So every time you go to a different country, they stamp it. It looks like you went to all of them.
Yeah.
You show my viewers the stamps. Can I show them? Go ahead, show them. Let me see. Right here. That means you're internationally known.
Yeah.
To rock the microphone?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonjour today.
Good. Date.
Say hi to everybody. So today, you're in the France table. What should people be?
Stickers and the bread.
Can you tell me a little bit about your setup today? What country were you working with?
Tanzania.
Are those the bracelets that I've been seeing people have around here?
Yeah.
And you are helping them with those?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that is so impressive. High five. How long does it take to make one of these necklaces and bracelets?
I don't know.
What's been your favorite part of doing this table?
The bracelet.
What's your favorite part about being a Girl Scout?
You care about others.